right, Monday morning.
Yep.
It is 8:30 on the dot, and we are out of here. We're leaving Charlotte now. Fantastic weekend, wouldn't you say, buddy?
Yep.
What was your favorite part of the weekend?
Probably seeing Charlotte FC and seeing Crown Legacy.
He
were
really,
my two favorites.
he really loved watching both of those matches. Now, we're on our way to Tennessee. We're on our way to just outside Nashville, but in a way that only the two of us could do, we've decided that the 6-hour drive across North Carolina and eastern Tennessee is just too short for us, isn't it, buddy?
Yep.
So we're taking a longer route. We're going to take about a 7.5-hour route so that we can see some of Georgia today.
And scratch it off our map.
And he's going to be able to scratch Georgia off of his map today. So that's where we're going. We're going to try to get to Atlanta by noon, 12:30-ish, okay, and get through there before any rush hour happens. So we are hitting the road. Strap on the seatbelt and ride along with us. The sky's on fire.
Bye, Charlotte.
No return, baby, on the summer night. A shot of love and a spark of love to breathe. The stars align and the month times night burn like a dried out leaf. Are we leaving on the next train, baby? I do believe. Come on, let's ride this train. Come on, let's ride this train. Now I ain't missed a 9 to 5, I don't hear it in my song. I'm gonna pull my weight, don't get me wrong. A brand new start and a whole new part, they are big old shoes to fill. I'll be there on that platform, babe, you know I will. Come on, let's ride this train. Come on.
Okay, and once again, we have crossed into a new state. That state is Georgia. Wow. I never imagined going this far down south, but here we are. Now we gotta scratch it off.
It's red just like the dirt here, right?
Yeah.
The soil here is red.
Okay, wow, you can see all the dust. Try to scratch that. Okay. Wow, that was fun.
Now nothing is this rush of life. You'll never find its match. So you live to be a million years. All hearts are lost by default in the time of a single beat. We're leaving on the next train, babe. So take your seat. All right.
Bomb on the bridge where the tide can't flow, snap vivid like the Nikon. Been cold but the vibe warm, keep it locked like the vice arm. They got her twisted like the coat arm, heart something froze like the snowstorm. Her tote bag match her throat charm. She from the land of the sand where they flex so subtle when her drink mint muddle. Left home in her man in the game that he played for the sand and the shade. She parades you to square in her shades. She like why you do that? Why he's so deceptive? Young, pretty restless. Long as the check is addressed to her residence. She self-heal therapy. She retail on clearance, but she shopping for clarity. Reap what she sold for the dividend. Know what time is the medicine. Copping the wristwatch, Cartier with the bezel on her credit. Demanding hers weapons due. I swear she's so sadistic, defensive, pessimistic, reclusive. She too lit, independent. She too quick to dismiss courtship. Concerned with malice. She pile up as the bout ends. She throws a towel in. She clutch a hat full chalice. Sip you from fountains. Check her rap. She chic, maneuver mountains. Thunder distract me from the bigger picture. Losing sanity to misplaced feelings. Girl, she kept deep in her makeup bristles. Hotline blink, she sent 1,000 kisses. I just drift, I sold 1,000,000 tickets. I'm way too focused on this image lately. My mind is racing, million miles a minute. No time to slide, I guess I'm bad with distance. I never text you back, lately my thoughts they drifted around the shots to keep us all from losing who we are. We're products of a generation where we swiping left across the interfaces. Out my mind, I tend to be evasive. Yeah. All I know is how the money made us. Girl, come on, let's fly. Girl, come on, let's fly. Girl, come on, let's fly away. Girl, come on, let's fly. Girl, come on, let's fly. Girl, come on, let's fly.
Yet another state, and that is Tennessee. Wow, this welcome center is really nice, but now let's scratch it off. Okay, and there's Tennessee scratched off.
The further we move on from all those yesterdays, happiness gets nearer. The light that we see closing in so fast ahead, it's hope, it's getting clearer. The more I think of all the tough times we survived, the more it makes me smile. If nothing's broken us, yeah, nothing ever will. 'Cause dreams are hard to kill. And I know somewhere's a place where we can build our memories. Somewhere, just hold on tight, it'll be alright. Show me the way, show me a way to somewhere. To somewhere. Nothing from the past can hurt us anymore. We're free of what we lost. Not anything or anyone will hold us back, no matter what the cost.